In this video, I'm going to be answering the question on how long does it take to get fair money loan. So basically, if you log into the app and you decide to borrow money, so you can see on the home page right here which says get loan in 5 minutes. So they literally say you can get a loan in 5 minutes, but then they have to do some background check on your application when you try to apply for a loan. Let's say you need a loan of up to 100,000 naira, and you just open Fairmoney app, for example. So they're gonna do some verification the, uh, on your account. So as you have to connect your BVN, you have to run Face ID and also submit your ID card to their app. Then after everything is approved, you can see those things already take more than 5 minutes. So once you click on take a loan, you apply for a loan by putting the loan amount you want to get, your monthly income, your email address, then click on next. Then from there, they're gonna do some background check on the details you provided, how much you want to borrow, and how much is your monthly income. So they want to know if you will be able to pay back the money you borrow from their platform. So all this actually take time, but with my own understanding, I believe with under 24 hours you should be able to get a loan from Fair Money app. So within that time you should be able to receive the money, because it doesn't matter if it's weekend or working day, they're still gonna give you a loan as fast as possible.